Assalamualaikum.
You 97 joined. Okay. Although in our last class we announced that we have finished our lecture, but today I want to make a review of this course. Okay, if you want to have some discussion on the topic that we discussed after mid-exam, we can have some extended discussion today. Okay. And along with this thing, I will try to give you some information regarding your exam. Although I will send an email to each of you. Okay, before that, I want to ask you one question, okay? Regarding the feedback of IUT LMS, an automatic generated message has been sent to all of you. Did you respond to this message? Or received it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So why didn't you respond to the message?
Sir, responded.
Because
sir.
you see, you responded meanwhile, okay, but yesterday they sent me a reminder requesting that only 40 students responded. Okay, the thing is that you have to be very careful about your future. The reason is that in whatever way university is conducting, actually, the policy, I am repeatedly telling them that university should make this platform a de facto platform for conducting online exams. But I don't know how many teachers are using it. And if you cannot use a creditable platform for your exam, you be careful about that. Those public platforms that you are using in some sense would be a difficult problem for you. So for this reason, we are striving through to make our system ready. Your cooperation is needed, okay? We don't know, even if your physical class will be resumed, this platform will be used for taking quizzes and other exams. Another second issue is, as a backup platform, I created another free account to Moodle Cloud and sent email to you. But until today morning, okay, what I have observed, around 50% of you did not log in, and still I do not know whether you are able to log in or not. I am planning to, in your request, okay, I am planning to set another quiz in this platform, but I will not request you second time that you again log in there. So the thing will go in accordance with my instructions that I have given you previously, okay? It is not something like that. I want to remind you repeatedly where you have to be very proactive. So, okay, this is the second thing. Third thing is regarding exam, okay? In your mid, you attempted 4 questions, and I need to examine all these 4 questions. Then I selected the best 3. But in your final exam, what I will do, okay? After giving you 4 answers, you have to select 3 by your own that you need to be get evaluated, okay? Then I will evaluate those 3. You got my point?
Sir, we will select the best 3.
You have to select it because all 4 things will be with you. So you have to select that which question you do not want to get evaluated. That I will not evaluate.
Yes, sir. We will answer 4, but we will select 3.
You will answer 4, then I will send a Google Sheet to you. Then in that Google Sheet, you have to choose which 3 you want to evaluate, okay? Then I will evaluate that 3, okay?
Yes, sir, clear.
So in this, because as you know that we cannot disclose all these 4 questions at a time, for this reason I have to adopt this policy, okay? And in this case, what I have what I got feedback from mid-exam, because we allocated 30 minutes for each of your questions with 22 minutes writing time, and 8 minutes was scanning and loading. I think 8-minute scanning loading is a bit longer time, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Sir, অনেক সময় স্যার
No, sir, it was fine, I think.
স্যার প্রসেস হতে অনেক টাইম লাগে ইমেজগুলা।
খুব বেশি টাইম লাগে না। I have also practiced, okay? তুমি এর মধ্যে তো তুমি এটাতে এক্সপার্ট হয়ে যাওয়ার কথা, কারণ বহু পরীক্ষা দিচ্ছ। তো ঠিক আছে, I will keep this thing 22 minutes for your writing time, 8 minutes for your uploading time, okay?
Yes,
But
sir.
this will be maintained strictly. Before your 8-minute, 22 minute, you cannot start scanning anything, okay? And your camera should be ready in such a way so that your activity will be clearly visible. You probably have already heard that in computer science and engineering, several students had been expelled in this mid exam. That do not create anything that again you will be also having the same type of problem, okay? Another issue is what is that? Okay, when you are uploading your file, okay, if you do not maintain the instructions, that I will discard those scripts, okay? Because it took several, for example, hours for me to sort out the thing, okay? Because you put your roll number at the last, sometimes you students are not putting their roll number there. I have to again search by their name. This cannot be, okay? Because you see, in my course, how many questions I need to examine? In your mid, I have examined 164 into 4. How many questions?
Sir, almost 650 plus, sir.
650, sir.
Okay, then do you think that this is a very simple job to be done?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So it is very difficult, isn't it? So with this difficulty with me, and if your cooperation is not there, then it will, I will not feel comfortable. Okay, that you have to be careful about. Okay.
Inshallah, sir.
So this is the thing from my part. I will prepare some instruction that will be very similar to what you have seen there. But in this case, our primary platform will be IIT LMS, where in our mid-exam, what we have done, in your first question was the display of your question. Then you, after that display, you answered. Then you switch to the next question, uploaded it to the LMS. Then you go to the Google form, then uploaded it, okay? Probably in this way you have done, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But this time in the second question, okay, uploading question will be there, where both will be there, okay? Uploading from LMS, as well as you can click a link there, so that a Google Sheet will be opened where you can upload for safety, okay? So I will show it to you with some example here, okay, later. So before going to that, it's okay. I will summarize the thing and again send to you by your email. Okay. So meanwhile, you seers can take note and communicate with your students. Now let us go to our course content. Okay. Do you have anything to ask me regarding your course content?
Yes, sir. About the exam policy, sir.
Exam policy, I will share already. I have
Okay.
mentioned few policies,
Yes, sir.
and I will send a written policy to all to your emails. Okay.
Yes, sir. Whatever policy you choose, sir, it would be better if you keep an eye that all the instructions are followed similarly in all rooms, sir. Because in
Of
the
course,
mid-exam,
because it is sometimes it is very difficult. Okay, even at your classroom when we take physical exams, sometimes some students are writing. Even your teacher says stop writing. So some students will always do those things that cannot be monitored. But I will take care of it to the extent I can. Okay, inshallah, that I can tell you. This time I will instruct the examiners or invigilators just to strictly follow this. If someone will not follow this thing, his script will be cancelled, as simple as this. We do not want to be very strict to you, okay? But sometimes you met the situation that lead us to do that. Do not do this, please. So let us discuss about the course content, okay? Do you have any thing that you want to ask? Okay, your question type will be nearly similar to what you have seen in your class test. But the reason is there because of our online exam, your question that you have seen there in your book will never be reproduced exactly, but it will contain the thing that I hope if you follow my lecture, you will be able to answer all these questions, okay? And that will not need any new thing. Some circuit will be there that needs your first year knowledge, and some Fourier transform will be there that you know how to take Fourier transform, Fourier inverse, and find the system response using Fourier inverse. Some properties of Fourier inverse, Fourier transform, Laplace inverse, Laplace transform will be needed to evaluate them. So in this regard, if you have something to ask me, then we can discuss here, okay? Like your physical classes, okay? When I planned a review class, only 10 student or 20 student come in the review class and nobody is asking any question. So this is not the purpose of review, okay? Are you getting prepared for your exam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Facing any problem of solving some problems? No,
Not yet, sir.
not yet. Okay, still I will be with you if you feel that you need some discussion before your exam. If you can arrange time, I can discuss, no problem. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
so your exam will be very simple. Do not get panic. And I prepared almost prepared a class test on your request, and it will be probably on the 8th January, okay? At what time you want to give it?
Can we discuss it with you later, sir? About
Okay,
the-
but you discuss and let me know it, okay? In this test, we'll have our two types of questions, okay? 4 questions will be there with 2 marks, and you have to answer there, no multiple choice, or 4 will be multiple choice with 1 mark, okay? Total 10.
So what will be the syllabus?
Syllabus is whatever I have talked after meet everything. Okay? And you have appeared probably so many class tests. I have never taken that many class tests ever in my life, probably, with a single course, 8 class tests, 7 class tests, something like this. Okay, no problem. But your things are very similar, not different. Okay, what we covered in our after our meet? Okay, we have our Fourier series, Fourier transform and Laplace transform, isn't it? These 3 contents. So things will be there with these contents, and you appeared your class test earlier. Questions will be of similar type. Okay, that's it. Then your Laplace transform property, Fourier transform property, you try to go through them, okay? Because sometimes you will see that if you can use the properties, it is very easy to answer your questions rather than going directly, theoretically using integrals, okay? And you know that we have a duality property of Fourier transform, that if we have a pulse in the time domain, the corresponding frequency domain response will be a sinc function like function. And if you have a sinc function in the time domain, then your corresponding article frequency domain will be a pulse, something like this, isn't it? So if this duality behavior for a pulse with general duration is known to you, that you can explore or utilize in many of your purposes to solve your problem, okay? So if you do not have any question to ask me, then with my good wishes to you, I can leave, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you get prepared, okay? And if you face any problem, let me know it. Then I will try to I don't know what your university is thinking. Somebody is saying that from February, physical class may resume. If your physical class will be resuming, then we will be there, inshallah. So that's it from my part, okay?
Yes,
And
sir.
I will prepare, if I could not prepare even if, then the thing that I have discussed that I again want to reiterate. Okay, your final exam will be 4 questions. Okay, duration will be 30 minutes each, 22-minute writing time, 8-minute uploading time. After uploading the 4 questions, you have to choose best three that you need to get evaluated. Okay, let me show you then now how I prepared my platform for your final exam. Okay, for uploading cases. This is Module Cloud, but it is similar to your IIT module, same thing. Can you see this sharing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is what when you will find, because I have already set questions, so I cannot show it to you. So what you can do, when you will find your first question, this is the question you need to answer. This time sequential will not be there, it will be free, so your thing will be coming without any shuffle. Okay, so your first question will be the real question. Okay, you do not write anything to your question answer box. What you need to do, you just see your questions and try to write your answer. And when you attempt will be 2, but be careful about that. Your second attempt will change your data that you already experienced earlier. So after having the things seen, then you start writing your answer. After your answer is complete, you click your second question, that is what the upload question. Okay, in the upload, this is the upload window. Okay, upload answer of question 2, for example, here, and also to the Google form by opening the following link in a new tab or window. Look, if you directly, for example, click this link, then what will happen? This link will be there, but this link will, the module link will disappear. Okay, for this reason, you have to again go back. Sometimes going back might create problem. For this reason, what you need to do, here in this case, you open in a new, can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then open the link to a new tab. Okay, when you will open the link to a new tab, you will see that a new tab will be will appear. But this you cannot see it now, but I can show you. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me rearrange the window. Lots of windows are there opened. Why I cannot see it? Can you see this window, or you are seeing the module window?
Sir, we are seeing
Yes,
the Google
sir,
Form, sir.
You are
Sir, we
seeing
can see
the
the Google form, sir.
you are
Yes.
seeing the Google form now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's okay. So what happened then, when you put into the second window, then this Google form will be appearing. Okay, in that Google form, you have to put your ID and upload your file and submit. Okay, after submitting this file, then you can go back to your module, and then again you put your file there and submit. Okay, you understand my point?
Yes, sir. মানে স্যার তার মানে আমরা আগে যেরকম এলএমএস এ এবং গুগল ফর্মে করছি, এবার আমরা মডিউল এবং গুগল ফর্মে করব।
না, মডিউলটাই তো এলএমএস অ্যাকচুয়ালি, এইটাই এলএমএস। এইখানে যেটা করবা তুমি, যে এইখানে ড্রপ ফাইল বলতেছে না,
Yes, sir.
এইখানে যে ফাইলটা, দিস ফাইল উইল বি the module file, okay, or LMS file.
Okay,
And
sir.
after putting this file here, you have to submit.
Yes, sir.
Or then my suggestion is, before going to use this submission, you open, for example, this link in a new tab. Okay,
Yes, sir.
when you put this link tab, new tab, then these 2 tabs will be opened in your window. then
Yes,
you
sir.
can drop your file in both that platforms and then submit. Okay.
Ji sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the safe thing. The reason is that if we submit in the LMS, then individual file will be stored. And in that case, I have to download each of the individual file for evaluation. Okay. But if I collect the thing to Google Form, then it will be there in a single directory. Okay. So that I can download the directory, I will get everything there accumulated. Okay. So in both ways we can go, no problem. So in this way, your exam will be there. So that's it from my part. And you prepared your schedule for Viva?
Sir, I think the Viva schedule will be prepared by routine committee. They have just given some dates and we have just prepared some groups, sir.
You have prepared the group, but time?
Sir, starting from 24th to 29th, up to 6 days, 6 groups will be having Vivas in each of the days, sir.
Yes, that I have already seen, but you have to mention the time. Which group will be coming to whom at what time?
I think that will be fixed by the routine committee, sir.
Routine committee, the teacher,
Yes, sir.
they will set it, or the individual, you have to consult with the individual teachers or something like that. I don't know. What instruction they have given to you?
Sir, they are supposed to fix it, sir. We will contact again, sir.
You contact them again. Sometimes you see that schedule can be or compromised with the teacher schedule. Okay. For example, in my case, what I have mentioned to you today, because I need to maintain office on Thursday and Friday. So in Thursday and Friday, I will be taking your Viva from 6:30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, because I have to start, because it is very strict from tight for me, because I have to start from here at 8 or 7:30. I have to go there at 8:30. Now lots of works are there. Then when I will come back, it will take around around 5 or 5:30. So after Maghrib, I will start. Okay. Only for these 2 days. So then you contact with your teacher, okay? Those who are, I will also be inquiring them what they are thinking about, right? And you can also contact with your teacher, okay? Those who are doing the routing, so that you can have a routing beforehand. So that's it from my part. Thank you very much. Good luck, okay?
Sir, I had a question regarding Viva syllabus.
No syllabus is there. Viva will be the whole course Viva. Okay, Viva. Okay, Viva is a part of final, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what is the direction for your final exam?
So after mid topics.
Then that is the thing. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Goodbye.